Congratulations are in order to Bafana Bafana. Halala, we are going to America, we're going to Canada and Mexico. South Africa are heading back to the biggest stage in world football. Bafana Bafana booked their tickets to the 2026 FIFA World Cup in the USA, Canada, and Mexico after a commanding 3-0 victory over Rwanda at Mbombela Stadium on Tuesday, a result that capped off a near-perfect qualifying campaign for Hugo Bros and his men. It's a moment 23 years in the making. The last time South Africa reached the World Cup through qualification was back in 2002 under Carlos Queiroz, and Bros has now etched his name in national football history by ending that drought. The veteran Bulgarian coach also becomes one of the few men to have both played and coached at the World Cup, having represented Belgium at the 1986 tournament in Mexico. Bafana Bafana's qualification was thoroughly deserved. They led Group C for much of the campaign and held on to top spot despite a late push from Nigeria and Benin. In fact, they might owe a small debt of gratitude to Nigerian striker Victor Osimhen, whose hat-trick and the Super Eagles' 4-0 victory over Benin helped secure South Africa's passage by a single point. That triumph was all the sweeter considering the obstacles faced along the way, including a 3-point deduction from FIFA earlier in the campaign that briefly threatened to derail their progress. Hugo's men didn't leave anything to chance on the night. Boosted by news of Nigeria's early goal in Uyo, they struck within 5 minutes in Mbombela. Midfielder Talente Mbata, who had already played a pivotal role in Bafana Bafana's successful AFCON 2025 qualification, continued his fine form by firing home from Oswin pass. His effort was too powerful for Rwandan goalkeeper Fiacre Ntwari, who could only push it into his own net. In the 12th minute, the pair combined again, this time Mbata turning provider, but Ntwari made amends with a sharp save. From the resulting corner, Teboho Mokoena headed over as Bafana Bafana maintained relentless pressure. Their dominance finally told in the 26th minute. Striker Evidence Makgopa disposed a defender on the edge of the box and laid the ball off to Apolis, who rifled a stunning finish into the top corner to double the lead. Apolis was electric throughout the campaign, and this match was a fitting showcase of his class and composure. His goal was his second of the qualifiers, adding to his 4 assists, though those numbers hardly capture the extent of his creative influence on Bafana Bafana's attack. The onslaught continued after the break. Substitute Mohau Ngota forced another good save from Ntwari in the 67th minute, while Khuliso Modau went inches wide shortly after. The decisive third goal came in the 71st minute. Fittingly, Apolis was at the heart of it once more. His pinpoint corner found Makgopa, who rose above the Rwandan defense to power home a header and seal the victory. When the final whistle blew, Mbombela erupted in celebration. For Bros, this was vindication, proof that his patient rebuilding of Bafana Bafana has paid off. He said, "I'm proud of those boys. They've shown character, discipline, and hunger. We're going to the World Cup because we believed we could." For South Africa, the road to North America marks not just a sporting triumph, but a rekindling of national pride. After years of frustration and near misses, Bafana Bafana are back where they belong, among the world's elite.
That we could do it. We believed in ourselves, and I think you saw it from the beginning of the game that we wanted to win that game. The only thing was what happened in Nigeria. So Nigeria did what they have to do, and we did what we have to do. So we go to the World Cup. It's fantastic. You know, the age doesn't matter. It's the talent, it's the mentality. And this is something also with the young players you saw today. They have the right mentality and they have talent. And then you can make a good team. And I think we did that in the last 3 years.
Meanwhile, 23 countries that have booked their spots are South Africa, Cape Verde, Ghana, Egypt, Algeria, Tunisia, Morocco, United States, Mexico, Canada, Japan, New Zealand, Iran, Argentina, Uzbekistan, South Korea, Jordan, Australia, Brazil, Ecuador, Uruguay, Paraguay, Colombia. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.